Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini long ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Nagabenta banrat ega jings new hajla katnat pulin kalatre shitom banrat hakin nyopu argenta. Ki pulit jong ke East Khasil district kilayo ban kurup South Pa gram udrok heroin bat kadoryo kalakot syaka khat praklur tingka pinsngo u director general ki pulit jong ke jilla Meghalaya. U Dr. L.R. Bishnoi hakilat pathai kubor hasilong. Naga office trekam jong u DGP u Dr. Bishnoi ulayatho balayo ban kurup South Pa gram udrok heroin artli ki bait kawai kakali berkapisa kumbasan point sanlak tingka. Haba ai jing ken bahagini ki saubnai ki baladem ki pulit jong ke jilla Meghalaya kilayo ban kurum hadu lai point ribu kilo udrok heroin 10,000 sanspa kilo ukanja shispa san program u opium shispa sausan bilor dawai penbuan katwe hajar khandai spa ki guli penbuan kini baro kador jong ki kelakon sya ka khat pra point lai fulai klur pensngau u DGP Shushu u DGP uyathu haki saubnai ringkat bat ki drog layo ban kurum life way teli ki kali ki bla syatu ki babon ki kali ki bla yo ban kurum de ki kali rin na ki te sau teli de ki trong layo ban kurup biang khandai phau teli ki mobile phone layo kurup kawe ka pistol bat ki guli kapisa kablayo ban kurup na ginong khayi drong baro kalakot syaka arpusau point arpu arlak tingka ki mukot duma ki bla ujor sying bishar baro kilong safu pratuli lakem shispa life saungut ki bla syak keno na kine ki shispa arpsan ngut ki de ki shinrang bar khandai ngut ki de ki kentai
area into sector and subsectors. For transporting the drugs from one sector to another sector, the driver gets 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh, and after passing that drugs, the next driver will take charge, and accordingly the drugs will reach up to Guwahati, from Guwahati to Siliguri, and then from Siliguri it goes to the other states of India. The ganja, for example, in northeastern states, if the price is say 5,000 rupees per kg, the moment it reaches Delhi, the cost of weed becomes 30,000 rupees per kg. So we have recovered 4,500 kg ganja. So this is generally a modus operandi of the transportation of ganja. And ganja, they stuff under the other goods. And the papers are made for other goods, challans are there for some other items, and the ganja are either hidden in the concealed chambers behind the seat of drivers, or if the quantity is more than the base of the trucks. So this is their modus operandi. As far as transportation of heroin is concerned, because it is transported into a very, very small quantity, so generally it is the couriers are there. Drug traffickers, sometimes they directly take drugs from the Manipur or the Mizorams, and then they transport to their customers directly at pre-decided points. And the drugs, the heroines and the other drug psychotropic substances, they are generally taken into either the private buses or in the small vehicles. Sometimes vehicles belong to them, sometimes they hire taxi also. In one or two cases, their modus operandi was they used the vest belt, and in the belt the heroin was concealed in such a way that during normal checking it cannot get the attention of the cops on the streets. So other than that, they have also used the ladies for transportation of drugs. The ladies carries these drugs either in their handbags or sometime under the wearing apparel also. So these are the general modus operandi we have noted. And most of the couriers belong to the state of Meghalaya, either the drug addict themselves or those who are indulging in the supply business, because it generates huge amount of money. So once they are in this business, it is difficult for them to come out, and greed overpowers them.